some weird reason, Nigeria is fucking cold. Like, guy, in the morning, it's like you want to die. When you have to hot and dry. Bruh. Merry Christmas, you guys. Merry Christmas to everybody. Jesus Christ. God, Nigeria is cold. I didn't expect this. Like, Harmattan has finished catching. It's finished catching us already. I don't forget. Like, Jesus Christ. In the morning. Oh, it's cold. Anyhow, Merry Christmas to everybody. People that I'm fighting with right now, you know yourself. Yeah. My friends, my G's, Merry Christmas to everyone. Yeah, I'm so happy like that. Anyhow, so there was a picture I posted on Instagram about like an ink and splash edit and stone edit. Posted those pictures, and right now I'm getting a lot of questions about what I do. So I decided to do a music video. Okay, so just let me run through like a brief description and explanation of what I do. First of all, download Just Snow. It's an app. The APK is in the description, link in the description below. Just download that. Go into the app and pick any snow effect you want. You trust me, you'll find one. When you're done, export it. Download PicsArt, then go into PicsArt and just follow what I did there. Like, it's very simple. Like, trust me, I was in your shoes before, but trust me, it's very simple. You'll get it. It's very simple. Anyhow, that's all for today. So please like, subscribe, share the video. See where it goes to. I will eventually do a tutorial on how to do my original effect. I've seen and everybody will be like, oh my god, it's all snowing. Help! That one shot. I will eventually do that, but for now, just enjoy this. Merry Christmas to everybody, everywhere you are. For the people that have annoyed this year, I'm so sorry. Please forgive me. Nope. Oh, cool. Jeez. So, see you guys later. Peace. We will. Wait, what? Yes. Oh my god. Why is this tree barren? Like, this tree is barren, like, guy. Oh, okay. You started, guy, stop.